Before we begin, do me one quick favor. Tap that like button, hit subscribe, and share this with someone who deserves better balance, smoother movement, and a calmer, stronger body. You're watching Senior Wellness Secret, and today we're breaking down 10 simple Tai Chi movements every senior over 50 can learn. Even if you've never tried Tai Chi before, and your idea of mindfulness is remembering where you left your glasses or trying to meditate but falling asleep instead. These movements are slow, gentle, meditative, and surprisingly powerful. You don't need to be coordinated, you don't need yoga-level flexibility, and you definitely don't need silky Tai Chi pajamas, unless you want them, of course. What you do need is a willingness to move slowly and breathe a little deeper. Real science backs these routines. Multiple studies show Tai Chi can improve balance, reduce fall risk by up to 45%, boost flexibility, increase leg strength, lower stress, and even reduce joint pain in older adults. It's one of the safest, most effective forms of movement for anyone over 50. And yes, even complete beginners can start right away. Stick around until number 1, because that movement is considered one of the most powerful balance builders ever tested in adults over 60. Take a breath, relax your shoulders, and let's begin. Why Tai Chi is perfect for seniors over 50. Tai Chi is often called meditation in motion, but for seniors it's more like stability in motion. After 50, the body begins to shift in ways nobody warned us about. Balance doesn't stay as sharp unless you train it. Joints feel a little stiffer when you first get out of bed. Muscles tighten, reaction time slows, and the brain-body connection, the automatic coordination you used to take for granted, becomes something you have to gently retrain. Tai Chi addresses all of that at the same time, slowly, safely, and without stress. It combines mindful breathing, smooth movement, and controlled weight shifting, the exact skills adults over 50 need to maintain independence. Real-world data backs this up clearly. Tai Chi reduces fall risk by 20 to 45%. It improves stability in the ankles, knees, and hips. It increases flexibility and joint range of motion. It sharpens reaction time and proprioception, your body's internal GPS. And it significantly improves mood, relaxation, and confidence. This routine focuses specifically on balance and flexibility, using movements chosen for their simplicity and safety. Each one takes only 20 to 30 seconds and can be done standing or with a chair for support. Now, let's begin the countdown. Number 10. Opening the form. Warm-up plus centering plus breath. Traditional name, Qi Shi, opening posture. Senior-friendly explanation, a grounding warm-up. Let me ask you a question. When was the last time you started exercising by simply breathing on purpose? Not rushing, not forcing, just allowing your body to settle. Opening the form is the classic way Tai Chi begins. It prepares your mind, your breath, and your joints for movement. Why it matters? This movement calms your nervous system, improves posture, and creates smoother coordination. Tai Chi research shows that beginning with slow breath work increases oxygen flow and reduces muscle tension, especially helpful for seniors with stiffness or anxiety during movement. How to do it? Stand tall behind a chair if needed. Let your arms hang naturally. Inhale slowly as you raise your hands to chest height. Exhale as you let them fall like soft feathers. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Safety notes. Keep shoulders relaxed. Don't lift arms higher than comfortable. Breathe naturally. Now that your breath is under control, let's add some movement, starting with the joints that get stiff the fastest. Number 9. Raising the power. Shoulder and spine mobility. Traditional name, Qi lifting hands. Senior-friendly explanation, gentle arm lift to open the chest. If your shoulders feel like they've been replaced with rusty hinges, this movement is your new best friend. This gentle lift wakes up the shoulder joints and upper spine. Why it matters. Shoulder mobility decreases naturally with age, and stiffness here affects posture, neck comfort, and even breathing. Research shows that slow, controlled shoulder lifts improve blood flow and flexibility more effectively than static stretching, especially for older adults. How to do it. Inhale as you raise your arms forward to shoulder height. Exhale as you let them float down. Move slowly, like you're lifting a balloon and letting it fall. Chair modification. Hold the back of a chair with one hand and lift the other. Safety notes. No shrugging. Keep arms soft. Move within a comfortable range. Now that the spine and shoulders are loose, let's wake up the lower body. Gently. Number 8. Wave hands like clouds. Sidestep flow plus coordination plus balance. Traditional name, Yunsho. Senior-friendly explanation. Slow stepping with floating circular hands. Ever feel like your feet move one way and your arms another? This movement fixes that. Wave hands like clouds is famous for improving coordination and balance through rhythm and smooth shifting. Why it matters. Studies show that side-to-side movements reduce fall risk by strengthening hip stabilizers and training lateral balance, something regular walking doesn't develop. How to do it. Shift weight to one foot. Step sideways. Circle your hands gently. One high, one low. Shift weight. Step again. Flow for 5 to 8 steps each way. Chair modification. Hold the chair with one hand while doing the arm circles. Safety notes. Move slowly. Keep knees soft. Only step as wide as comfortable. Ready to improve your turning ability? The next movement is all about controlled twisting. Number 7. Brush knee and push. Turning mobility plus stability. Traditional name, Lu Shi Ao Bu. Senior-friendly explanation. Gentle twist with a forward step. Twisting safely is something seniors rarely train, but need constantly. Reaching behind you, turning to check traffic, or pivoting in the kitchen all require rotational control. Why it matters. Poor rotational mobility is linked to back pain, poor gait, and impaired balance. Tai Chi's slow twisting trains your spine without strain. How to do it. Step forward slightly. One hand brushes past your knee. The other hand pushes forward as you twist gently at the waist. Switch sides. Chair modification. Hold the chair and reduce the rotation. Safety notes. Keep movement small. Pivot slowly. No forcing the twist. Now let's open something even more important. Your balance center. Number 6. Parting the wild horse's mane. Hip opening plus balance plus coordination. Traditional name, Yema Fenzong. Senior-friendly explanation. Wide stance with gentle arm sweep. This beautiful movement strengthens the legs and opens the hips, two of the most important foundations for fall prevention. Why it matters. Large studies show that hip mobility directly affects walking speed, stride length, and balance. And seniors with better hip flexibility tend to fall less often. How to do it. Step to the side. Shift weight into the front leg. Sweep one arm forward as the other drops. Switch sides. Chair modification. Use a chair for balance and shorten the step. Safety notes. Don't sink too low. Keep chest lifted. Move in slow motion. Now let's work on something most people never train, the body's internal elevator. Number 5. Rising and sinking. Weight control plus joint relief plus breath. Traditional name, Chen and Song. Senior-friendly explanation. Soft bending and straightening with breath. This is Tai Chi's way of teaching your body how to absorb movement, similar to how a car's suspension smooths a bumpy road. Why it matters. Learning how to gently bend and rise trains the ankles, knees, and hips to absorb pressure safely. Research shows this reduces joint stress and improves flexibility. How to do it. Inhale as you rise slightly. Exhale as you soften the knees and sink gently. Imagine your body moving like a floating buoy. Chair modification. Hold the chair lightly for support. Safety notes. Keep knees aligned. Don't force the bend. Move just an inch if that's all you can do. The next one improves balance faster than almost anything else. If you're enjoying these movements so far, tap like. It helps YouTube show Senior Wellness Secret to more seniors who want simple, science-backed routines at home. And if you know someone who could use better balance or smoother movement, send this their way. Now let's continue the countdown. Number 4. Golden Rooster stands on one leg. Single leg balance, plus stability. Traditional name, Jinji Du Li. Senior-friendly explanation, gentle single leg hold with arm lift. This classic Tai Chi pose builds balance in a way walking never can. Why it matters. Falls often happen during moments of single leg instability, stepping off a curb, turning, or catching yourself after slipping. This movement trains the exact muscles needed to stay upright during those moments. How to do it. Hold a chair. Lift one knee slightly. Lift the opposite hand. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds. Switch sides. Chair modification. Keep one or both hands on the chair. Real-world data. Single leg balance ability strongly predicts fall risk. Even practicing a few seconds daily improves stability. Safety notes. Always start with support. Keep gaze forward. Don't lift the knee too high. Now let's loosen the spine from top to bottom, the Tai Chi way. Number 3, the spinal wave. Back flexibility plus relaxation. Traditional concept, soften the spine. Senior-friendly explanation, gentle ripple through the spine. This movement feels as relaxing as it is beneficial. It teaches the spine to move fluidly again, reducing tension from sitting or stiffness. Why it matters. Back stiffness affects walking, balance, and breathing. Gentle spinal movement improves circulation to the vertebrae and relaxes tight muscles. How to do it? Start with soft knees. Roll the spine slightly forward. Then lift and lengthen the spine upward. Think of a slow, tiny wave. Chair modification. Hold the chair and make the movement even smaller. Safety notes. Small movements only. Never bend too far. Keep breath calm. Ready to improve your stepping confidence? The next movement is Tai Chi's secret to smoother walking. Number 2. Stepping forward and back. Confidence plus coordination plus lower body control. Traditional concept. Advance and retreat. Senior-friendly explanation. Slow forward and backward steps with arm flow. Most falls happen while stepping, not while standing still. This movement trains safe stepping in both directions. Why it matters. Studies show that controlled forward and back steps improve reaction time, stride stability, and walking confidence in seniors. How to do it. Shift weight forward. Step forward slowly. Flow the arms gently forward. Shift back. Step backward with control. Repeat 5 to 8 times per side. Chair modification. Use a chair for support. Shorten the step. Safety notes. Move at half speed. Keep your weight centered. Don't step too far. We've made it to the movement Tai Chi practitioners consider one of the most powerful for balance and flexibility. Number 1. Wave hands while stepping. Ultimate balance plus flexibility plus coordination. Traditional name, cloud hands walking. Advanced form of wave hands like clouds. Senior-friendly explanation. Slow walking with circular hands. This is the single best Tai Chi movement for seniors over 50. A full-body exercise that blends balance, flexibility, coordination, and breath. Why it matters. This movement strengthens the ankles, knees, hips, core, and upper body, all at once. It improves lateral stepping, weight shifting, and multitask balance. Tai Chi studies list this movement as one of the most effective for fall prevention. How to do it. Step forward slowly. Circle the hands like gentle clouds. Shift weight with each step. Keep the breath calm and even. Flow for 20 to 30 seconds. Chair modification. Walk alongside a counter or table for safety. Safety notes. Slow is safer. Keep steps small. Maintain tall posture. Why seniors love it. It feels peaceful, graceful, and surprisingly powerful. Every part of the body is working, but gently. Summary. The 10 simple Tai Chi movements. Here's your recap. 10. Opening the form. 9. Raising the power. 10. Wave hands like clouds. 7. Brush knee and push. 6. Parting the wild horse's mane. 5. Rising and sinking. 4. Golden rooster stands. 3. The spinal wave. 2. Step forward and back. 1. Wave hands while stepping. These movements improve balance, flexibility, coordination, posture, confidence, and calm. Do them gently, consistently, and at your own pace. If this video helped you, tap that like button. It tells YouTube that senior wellness content truly matters and helps more older adults discover safe, simple routines they can do right from home. Your support genuinely makes a difference, and it helps us keep creating helpful content for our growing community here at Senior Wellness Secret. Make sure to subscribe to Senior Wellness Secret for more gentle, science-backed routines designed specifically for adults over 50. Whether it's balance, flexibility, strength, joint comfort, or just moving with more confidence, we post new videos to help you stay active, independent, and energized at every age. And share this video with someone who deserves better movement, less stiffness, and a calmer, stronger body. You never know whose day or health you might improve by sending them a simple routine they can start immediately. Until next time, keep moving, keep breathing, and keep taking care of your incredible body. It carries you through every day of your life, and it deserves a little attention, patience, and kindness. Remember, you get one body, one lifetime, so treat it well and keep it moving.